Narcissistic parents never fail at setting their children up for failure.
And especially the older colored aunties, they will always have the ugliest and rudest and most disgusting remarks to make about the youth. Why do you feel the need to say something ugly about their physical appearance, their weight, their acne, their skewed teeth, their style, and your own children as well? Stop ridiculing them. You wonder why your child's self-esteem is so low. You are their biggest bullies to your children and other people's children. You were their first hater. When you called her fat in front of your friends. Because you must have parents. Jy kan mos so praat oor jou kind is my kind. Ek is maar net 'n ma. Doesn't give you a right to treat your child like that. Then you wonder why they don't want to sit in your company. Nie sy is heeldag op die phone, sy sit in die kamer en sy wil saam sit nie. Antisocial mos. Just because you are miserable within yourselves doesn't mean you have the right to project it onto that innocent child. Go to therapy.
People seem to have children for predominantly selfish reasons, and without an educated understanding of childhood development geared toward a life fulfilling. To you, having a child is like adopting a dog. You focus only on its cuteness as a puppy when you give it all your attention and affection, as you revel in all that power you have over it, and completely ignore the responsibility that accompanies that power, to facilitate and empower the becoming of that puppy into its own identity. Parents even push against this responsibility, undermining their children's development by suppressing an emergence of that identity, labeling it as disrespect and sanctioning it from resource and affection access, all in the name of retaining that power, using shame to inebriate the child in fear or anxiety, and ensuring he or she remains securely dependent on them for a drop of that alleviative affection. Elders used to steward our families and communities through leadership and cultivating healthy relationships that inevitably generated reciprocal respect. Now they walk around homes and communities demanding respect regardless of how they behave, whether or not they model it. Getting respect despite the unhealthy relationships they leave in their wake breeds generations plagued with anxiety-based mental and emotional disorders, including addictions and greed, individual corruption that goes on to mark the character of society. These disorders spawn terrible decisions which procreate the unhealthy relationship, scaling from the family to the community, region, province, and nation. Look around you, and you keep thinking a new leader will save you, a new business model, a new political party or protest march, a new policy, a new target to blame. You used to respect education, now you turn on it. You're confused. You're lost, but for the fact that you keep your eyes closed to what's in front of you.
Parent, I'm not gonna teach you and you and your siblings to be united, help each other, love each other. Then yes, there are 80% to 90% that if one of you suffers, it's gonna suffer alone. You know, then you start with the foundation, whereby at home we must always try to teach you guys to love each other.
The only thing clear in all this mess is you. You cause this mess. You are the parent, the child, the perpetrator, the victim. You are the problem, the solution. Just start by changing your decision. Choose the healthy relationship. Stand up for yourself, but respectfully in your families. Walk away if need be and able, but get rid of negative relationships in your life. Change them or abandon them. Don't escalate problems, but do something to stop replicating the unhealthy relationship.
Pick your head up. Pick your bat up. Find your peace. You think anybody cares that it hurts? Nobody cares.